Hey everybody, this is Terry Warman of Warman Auto Works. Some of you might recognize that, and you may know what it's attached to. For all you experts, just thought I'd do a quick video since I'm guilty of not doing any content lately. Here's one of the projects here at the shop. Of course, you can see there's some pieces missing. A little bit of damage we're going to take care of. Get this thing put back together, get it painted, get it sexy, and try to do better at doing videos. Maybe keep you up to par or up to date on what we're doing here at Warman Auto Works. We've got that and many other projects here. I'll show you another. This is a 1948 Ford F100. This truck is getting restored. The customer, his dad bought this brand new, worked on the farm with it, never left the farm until it came here. And we're restoring it back to original, and he is going to give it to his grandson. That's a pretty cool grandpa. We're fitting the doors, double checking door fitment. Those old trucks did not have very good fitment from original. And another one here, 61 Rolls Royce, came in as a major basket case. Customer requested those two colors. It was his trucking company he owned, that was his colors. He requested the build and the wheels, tires, etc. It does have a small block Chevy with a fuel injection system. We install a fast fuel injection system on it, and hopefully that will be leaving soon. We've got many other projects. These are just a few. We got anything from restorations to customs to small jobs, big jobs, and that's just a few of what we do here. We've got a shop full. I thought I would wait and maybe use those for some later content. If there's something you guys would like to see, just shoot us a message and see what you might like to see, and we'll try to do better about doing some videos. It has been crazy here. We've just got the phones blown up, internet blown up, with people needing work done because we take care of our customers and treat them right. You can contact us, website, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. We are located in the Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. So again, just wanted to show you a little something we got going on here, and I'm sure a lot of you guys really dig these. Thanks for taking a look. Click subscribe, send us a message if you'd like, and send us some requests of what you might like to see, and I will try to do better at making videos. I'm good at one thing really well, and that's fixing these old cars. So I'll try to learn how to do some videos. Thanks, guys.